What's going on, fam? Welcome to another video. So we're doing something a little different here. We're doing a YouTube / photography office setup. Been wanting to do a video like this for a while, so I just want to show y'all my setup, give y'all maybe some inspiration, and show you everything I use in this creative space. Make sure you hit the like if you like this topic, this idea, and also leave a comment and let me know what's something that you want in your office or creative space. Like, what's your next big purchase, just something that you really want, whether it's a desk, a laptop, a desktop. Let me know in the comments down below. All right, y'all, so before I just kind of show y'all everything, I just want to talk a little bit about you know, y'all are gonna see all this stuff. I have a lot of stuff now. Kimbo can tell y'all I started out like very basic. I literally had nothing but an old iMac. The thing was slow. It would take I would upload videos and be editing and they would take forever. Like, you know, I didn't get this all in like 1 year. It took me years. Like, I've been doing YouTube since 2016. So over time, and you know, me having the money also, I started to invest in myself more. And now I was able to build this space that I love. And Kimbo, I got to give her props because she helped me with this whole concept, because if you've been on the channel for a while, the space hasn't always looked like this. I just wanted to create something that I want to work in. That was like the main thing, like something that I can go into and I just feel excited and kind of just pumped up to work. You know what I'm saying, Kimbo? So Kimbo helped me with this whole concept. We wanted to keep it, what does everybody say? Minimalist type setup. So that was kind of the thing, just keeping it simple. And yeah, so let's get straight into it, man. First, we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got over here. We got some books. Y'all know I'm a big reader. I haven't been reading lately, but these are some of my these are some of my favorite books. The Greatest You, Building a Story Brand, Sell or Be Sold. Y'all have seen me talk about that one. Gary Vaynerchuk, Crushing It. Grant Cardone, love him. Be Obsessed to Be Average. Photography Business Secrets and The Photographer's Guide to Posing. You can put it back on me. So those are some great books, and everything I talk about is going to be linked in the description below. That's just if you want to check this stuff out, if you want to buy it, whatever. I'm going to have everything linked down below. But this was just a little stand that I needed. Where did we get this from? Come on.
At home.
We got this from At Home. I think I got this from Target. So that's the thing. If you're doing, let's say you're a YouTuber, right? You want like little lights like this in your setup. This stuff looks good like in the background of your videos. So you want like little cool stuff in the background of your setup. If you're a YouTuber, this is where I keep like all my batteries and cameras, lenses, not all of them. I have some other stuff in the closet. That's just mess, ignore that. So moving on over here, follow me, Kimbo. Kimbo say her arms. She was like, my arms are getting tired. This chair right here, man. See, I've had this. This was the first, like, I would say big purchase I made for my YouTube channel. It was a chair. A chair is important, y'all. Like, some of this stuff you may be like, oh, it's just a chair or whatever, but that stuff's important. If you're gonna be in here working for hours, like editing photos, videos, all that stuff, you need something comfortable to sit in. I got this from Office Max. This chair was like, I think almost $300. Yeah, because I told Kimbo and she was like, what the heck? That's too much. But you got to invest in yourself. And this is invested in your body and your health. You know what I'm saying? If you're a person that's always at the desk. So lots of cushions on this chair. My cat then got it and kind of ripped it up a little bit. But man, I love this chair. I love it. Let's move that out the way. Let me show y'all my plants. Y'all see these in my videos. So what was the purpose of this? This was just kind of to go with the minimalist type look. It's something very common in the YouTube space. Like, people have like plants and stuff like that. It just looks good. You know, like in the background, to kind of accent like your office and stuff like that. So I love these little plants. I got another one over here. So you definitely want stuff like that. I got those from At Home. Excuse me. Moving on to my main desk. Let me move this big chair. That's one thing about this chair though that I don't like. It's huge. That chair is so like bulky. Put it on it. Come on. It's like super bulky. You can see how thick it is, but man, it is padded.
Yeah.
This thing, like the support that you get on your back it's perfect, man. So moving on over here, as y'all can see, this was all like Kimbo right here. So this was just to add to that minimalist type look, you know, the little dream little setup right here. We got a couple little plants, not conceited or anything like that, but just a picture of myself, you know, for motivation. You know, it's what I love to do. Shout outs to Kimbo, shot by Kimbo. So gotta give her props on that shot. And I think that was just like trying to test my lighting and stuff. Put it back on me. And then, oh, okay. Hey, I'm tripping because I have a wide angle lens on and I'm shooting with the A7 III, which I usually don't. But I have the 24 millimeter Viltrox, so I forgot it's like super wide, right, Kimbo? And then we have this Create little thing. This was cheap. I got that from At Home too. If you have At Home where you're at, definitely check that out for like home type stuff. Would you recommend it, Kimbo? Yeah, so I love these two little things and they're simple. I try to keep everything minimalist and simple, right? And you could also see I have specific colors. Kimbo, I'm telling y'all, man, she hooked me up with this. You know, we got the brown, the black, the white, and then the green to kind of accent that. So everything is intentional and to make, colors are big. Just with your space, if you want it to look nice, you got to have colors that complement each other. Would you agree? So moving on to my main setup. I think I already said that. So this is an L desk. Got this from Office Max. It was relatively like kind of cheap for a desk. I think it was about like two something, right? I got it on sale. It was on sale. I went with this mainly because of the color, right? Kimbo said this will look really good. Just went with the look we were going for. And I like that I have this extra space, right? So if I'm doing some photography work or whatever, me and Kimbo could both be working here, right? Or I'm even thinking about maybe getting a monitor right here that I could hook my laptop up to. So an L desk just gives you a lot of space. Also, it gives you options for recording, right? So you'll see I have multiple setups. So if you're a YouTuber thinking about getting into YouTube, you want to have like set up like multiple setups that you can film in to kind of switch things up. So that's what you can get with an L desk. I could just set my tripod right here and I can film from this way, right? Or I could film from this way. So I intentionally have that to where I have multiple setups. I have this cool little accent light. Y'all have seen this in the videos. Kimbo's getting lazy with the camera.
Sorry, I was.
Yeah, it's super bright. But that once again, just little accent lights for my videos or if I'm just doing work on the computer. Okay, so moving on to my big baby. This is my big baby right here. This was my second big investment when it came to honestly, this was mainly for photography, right? Because my Mac was trash. It was one of those old fat Macs. It was trash. It literally took like 12 hours to upload a video, y'all. And I was legit doing that shit twice a week. Kimbo, am I lying?
Nope.
I would literally be in there all through the night. Right, Kimbo? Kimbo's like, come in the door. Are you coming in here yet? I'm like, I got this trash Mac. But anyways, this is a custom PC. I got this, man. I always forget where I got this from. I think it's called like Custom Kings or something.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so right. So I don't know how I found the company. I think I just typed in on Google custom PC and it was the first thing that popped up. So if you're a photographer, hey, or just a service provider, whatever, get you a website because you will pop up on Google when people are searching for you, right? Y'all see me talk about that. It came put together and it's spec'd out, man. I got SSDs. I'm not sure about like the, what do you call it? I don't know. Computer talk. The thing is crazy. It can handle 4K photo editing, whatever you throw at it.
You can customize it.
Yeah, on Custom Kings, you could just customize all the specs you want. Has never failed me. I love this thing. I wouldn't be able to do all the stuff I do if I didn't have this powerful machine. And this is overlooked when it comes to just if you're creative, right? One thing that people don't invest in is a computer. That's one of the first things you want to invest in. Because that's how you're gonna be able to efficiently do all your work and you want to be fast, right? So you need a powerful machine to do those things. So don't overlook that. Like people talk about cameras and stuff. This is one of the best things you can invest in if you're a YouTuber or you're a photographer, videographer, whatever, is a good computer. Trust me. Trust me. This thing was, I think about 2,200, but so worth it. So worth it. We got my monitor right here. This is I think it's about like a 32, 34 inch Samsung curved monitor. I really got this because I liked how it looked. I like the white. I think it kind of accents the desk. You can see with the computer, I was trying to match that. I love it. It's a good monitor. Colors look good. I do want something bigger, but this does the job and it's pretty big. I actually upgraded from a smaller monitor. So I like this monitor. It's really good. I have some speakers. I like the color of these. Because one thing I didn't know about this monitor when I bought it is that it didn't have internal speakers. because I was trying to play some stuff and I'm like, I can't hear nothing. You remember I told you that? I was like, what the heck? So I got these off Amazon. But definitely think about that when you purchase a monitor. Really good speakers. Like I said, everything will be linked below. Let's move on. We're gonna move on in my corner, and this is not a big room. Hopefully the wide angle is kind of showing y'all what's going on. But you don't need a big space, man. Okay, so let's talk about my light. This thing is bright, y'all. Ooh, I'm sweating a little bit. So this is like my main light. I use this when I'm just on the computer doing some photo stuff, but I mainly use this for YouTube. So this softbox is a 30-something inch, what do you call this? Lantern softbox. I've had this for about maybe like 6 or 8 months. I upgraded. I got the lantern because I like how it spreads light everywhere, right? So it's kind of like lighting up the whole room. I like that. So this is a good softbox. This light right here is the Godox SL60W. Really good light right here for YouTube. Even if you're any kind of creative videographer, this is a good light right here. Godox SL60W. In the corner over here, we have this nice little lamp. Like I said, you want little accent lights in your setup. I love this light when I'm like editing or something like that, just because it's not like super bright. It's a warm light. Man, certain lights and stuff, they just give you a specific feel, right? You know, that's really important. And I wanted a specific feel with this room. I wanted simplicity. I didn't want clutter, nothing like that. Let's show them the rug, Kimbo. So this was Kimbo's idea. So yeah, I love this rug too, and it's super soft. I would take off my and show you my feet, but we're not gonna do that. Rub my feet in the rug. It's super soft though. Kimbo loves it. All right, y'all. So we're moving on. You can see me, right? So we're moving on to this. This is my newest setup. So this is a standing desk right here. You can raise it. Let me show y'all. So y'all can see, you can raise it. Now I got this at Big Lots. I think it was on sale too. I'll be looking for sales, and Kimbo will tell you, I'll go back and forth before I purchase something, just because I'm trying to find like the best value for the best money. I don't just get a whole bunch of expensive stuff. But I got this standing desk because this gives me another angle to film with, another station. And also I wanted to, sometimes when I'm on a computer doing work or whatever, sometimes I want to stand, right? So that's mainly why I got the standing desk. You know, it's just healthier to just stand instead of just sitting down all the time. You know, it's better for your body. So it kind of gives me options. So that's what I like about these two setups. I have options. If I want to sit down and edit or whatever right here, I could do it at the main desk. If I'm feeling like fancy or whatever, I could stand up and do it on a standing desk, you know? So I like having that option. So right here, this is just a mic, cheap mic. It'll be linked below. I got this from Amazon, my little stand. This is a cheap little stand. It's honestly not good, but once again, hey, I just find stuff to do the job, right? And certain things I won't go like super expensive because I feel like it's no need. I recently got this mic. So I got all this stuff when I got this desk. Old laptop right here is just an HP. I do work on this sometimes. It can't handle like video editing and stuff like that, but I can edit photos, things like that. Kimbo's always talking smack about this laptop. I hate that. She say it's slow, but I do like client calls on it and stuff like that. Yeah, if y'all don't know, I do a lot of different stuff. So I do like freelancing too. I don't just do photography, YouTube, of course. So a lot of this stuff, it's like multi-purpose. I use it for a lot of different things. Also with this setup, let's go over these. Man, I love these, y'all. These stands right here. So I got these stands to keep stuff off the desk, right? So this is an Elgato Air, right? It comes with the stand, but I took it off and I attached it. So I could use like an overhead light. You can change the angle of this. I love this setup right here. And I usually have another camera right here for like live streams if I want to do like a double cam. And this is my main YouTube camera right here. And I have that on a single stand. This is the A6400. I have the Sigma 16 on this. Man, I love this camera. Yo, I'm telling you, this is great for photographers and creators. I love this camera right here. Fast autofocus. It's pretty good in low light. It's just a good camera. It's small. I love it. You remember we had the A6300? It's just like an upgrade over that, and we love that camera. We used to put that thing to use. That's when we was doing videography and all that type of stuff. You remember? So this is a great camera. I use this for most of my YouTube videos, and I use this for weddings too. All right, gonna end this video here because my wife's arms are getting tired because this is like a workout. But thank you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, hashtag, what's the crazy word? Hashtag Kimbo is the best in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos. Like I said, I don't mainly post videos like this. I mostly talk about photography business, and give tips and things like that, but just want to do something different. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.